Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's maths class. How are you? Hope everyone is doing well. Did you learn last day's portion? Yes. Today we will discuss about regrouping for subtracting tens and ones. Children, take your textbook, page number 121. Practice time. Look here. Subtract the following. First question is 724 minus 428. Both numbers are 3-digit numbers. First subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. So in ones column there are two numbers, that is 4 and 8. 4 ones minus 8 ones. So that is not possible. So you borrow 1 10 from tens and 4 becomes 14 and this 2 becomes 1. Then 14 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So you write 6 in the place of ones. Then in the tens place, now we have only 1 10. So 1 minus 2, that is not possible. So you borrow from 100 and this 1 becomes 11 and this 7 becomes 6. Then 11 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 fingers. So you write 9 in the place of tens. Then hundreds. In hundreds place, now we have only 6. So 6 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 2 fingers. So you write 2 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 296. Clear? Next one, 745 minus 368. So 5 minus 8 not possible. So you borrow 110 from tens and 5 becomes 15. You strike this 5 and write 15 and 4 becomes 3. Then 15 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. 7 in the place of ones. Then in the tens place there is only 3. So 3 minus 6 not possible. So you borrow 1 from, that one is 100. 100 in the place of hundreds. So 100 equal 10 tens. 100 equal 10 tens. So that 10 plus this 3, that one is 13. 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So you write 7 in the place of tens. Now we have only 6 hundreds. So 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So you write 3 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 377. Then question number C, 850 minus 387. Here also first subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. So 0 minus 7 not possible. So you borrow 1 10 from tens and 0 becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 4. You strike the number and write. Then 10 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So you write 3 in the place of ones. Then in the tens place 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, that is not possible. So you borrow 100 in the place of hundreds and this 4 become 14 and this 8 becomes 7. Then 14 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So you write 6 in the place of tens. Then in the hundreds place, now we have only 7 hundreds. So 7 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of hundreds. The answer is 463. Next one, 965 minus 587. 5 minus 7, not possible. So you borrow 110 and 5 becomes 15 and this 6 becomes 5. Then 15 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of ones. Next we have only 5 tens. 5 minus 8, not possible. So you borrow 100. So 100 equal 10 tens. 100 equal 10 tens. That 10 plus 5, 15. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So you write 7 in the place of tens. Then in hundredth place there is only 800. 9 becomes 8. So 8 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So you write 3 in the place of hundreds. Answer is 378. Clear? Next one, question number E. 360 minus 99. 360 is a 3-digit number and 99 is a 2-digit number. So you arrange correctly. Then subtract 1. 0 minus 9. Not possible. So you borrow 110. So 0 becomes 10 and this 6 becomes 5. Then 10 minus 9. What is the answer? 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Then 5 minus 9, not possible. So you borrow 100. So 5 becomes 15 and 15 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So you write 6 in the place of tens. Then you look here. In 100th place, there is only 200. No other number. So you bring down this 2 in the place of hundreds. Only 2. So 2 you have to bring down. So the answer is 261. Next question is question number F. 925 minus 367. First subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. 5 minus 7, not possible. 5 is smallest and 7 is greatest. Smallest number minus greatest number, that is not possible. So you borrow 110. So 5 becomes 15 and this 2 become 1. Then 15 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of ones. Then 1 minus 6. That is not possible. 1 minus 6. 1 is smallest, 6 is greatest. So you borrow 100. So 1 becomes 11 and this 9 becomes 8. Then 11 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So you write 5 in the place of tens. Next one, now we have only 8 hundreds. 8 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So you write 5 in the place of 100. So the answer is 558. Clear? Children, all of you take your maths notebook. Subtract. Within bracket you write find the difference. The date is 22 9 20 22 9 20. Write the first question. 694 minus 287. All of you do. 694 minus 287. 4 minus 7, not possible. So you borrow 110 and 4 becomes 14 and this 9 becomes 8. Then after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So you write 7 in the place of ones. Then in the place of tens, 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. A number minus same number, 0. Write 0 in the place of tens. Then in the hundreds place, 6 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 407. Right, all of you? 407. Then all of you look here. Question number B. 758 minus 274. First subtract once. 8 minus 4. That is possible. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of ones. Then 5 minus 7. Not possible. So you borrow 100. Then 5 becomes 15 and this 7 becomes 6. 100 equal 10 tenths. That 10 plus 5, 15. Clear? So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of tens. Then in the hundreds place, there is only 6. So 6 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So you write 4 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 484. Then question number C. 925 minus 367. First subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds. 5 minus 7. That is not possible. So you borrow 110. So 5 becomes 15 and this 2 becomes 1. Then 15 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of ones. Then 1 minus 6. That is not possible. Then you borrow 100 in the place of hundreds and 1 become 11 and this 9 becomes 8. 1 becomes 11 and 9 becomes 8. How 1 become 11? We borrow 100. 100 equal 10 tenths. So 10 plus 1, 11. Clear? Look here. So 1 become 11 and this 9 become 8. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So you write 5 in the place of tens. Then subtract hundreds. That one is 8 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So you write 5 in the place of hundreds. So the answer is 558. Clear? Next one, solve word problem. Question number 1. Out of 340 people living in a colony, 158 moved out. How many are left? In this question, number of people that is given, number of people moved out in that colony, that also given 158. How many are left? So, total people minus number of people moved out. So, look here, 340 minus 158. 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So, you borrow 110 and 0 become 10 and 4 become 3. Then after 8, 9, 10, 2 fingers. So, you write 2 in the place of ones. Then 3 minus 5, that is not possible. So, you borrow 100. So, in 100 there are 10 tens. So 10 plus 3, 13. So 3 becomes 13. And this 3 becomes 2. Then after 5 count up to 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So you write 8 in the place of tens. Then in the place of hundreds, that is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. So you write 1 in the place of 100. So the answer is 182 people. How many are left? So you subtract the two numbers. Next one, leave one line, then write question number 2. There are 935 apples on a tree. 280 apples are plucked. How many are remain? So you have to subtract these two numbers. Total number of apples that is given. Number of apples plucked, that also given. We want to find out how many are left, how many are remain. Same meaning. So 935 minus 208. 5 minus 8, not possible. So you borrow 1 10 and 5 becomes 15 and this 3 become 2. Then after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 7. So you write 7 in the place of ones. Then subtract tens. 2 minus 0, 2. A number minus 0, same number. Then next one, 9 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So you write 7 in the place of hundreds. The answer is 727 apples. Clear? Children, I hope you all understood today's topic. Please complete the notes today itself. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.